Looks like we got back to a normal kind of mail time unboxing. We only got 3 packages here today. And at the end of this video, I'm actually going to be asking you guys a question that I need you guys' help with, man. I didn't think about it at the time, but this is kind of important. So yeah, it'll be cool to get you guys' advice at the end of the video. But first, we got mail time, and that is coming up right after this.
Boom bap, original rap, man. I'm the cream of the crop, boy. Supreme, cause I'm sitting on top, boy. I make it crack cause I rock, boy. Constant means the tab don't stop, boy. I kill the game in the...
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with another mail time unboxing. This mail time we got 2 shoes and we got 1 item from Supreme, so it should be pretty quick. Before we get into it though, I do want to thank the sponsor of today's video. These guys, Reshoevn8r. I've talked about Reshoevn8r in the past before, and if you guys have never heard of them before, which I'm sure everybody has, they're a company that sells sneaker cleaning items. And yeah, with the beater boxes and stuff, I've been starting to clean them up a lot more with stuff from like the Ultimate Kit over here. The Ultimate Kit basically has everything that you need to like get shoes back to very close to dead stock condition, so that way it goes up in value when you're like selling used shoes or things like that. So that's what I've been using it for. If you guys want to check it out yourself, go to the description below, click on that link and use the code Hawaii10 to get 10% off your order. We won't be needing any Reshoevn8r for these though because they're brand new. I'm sure over time we could probably clean them up, but not today. Let's start off with the Supreme first. Dude, I'm excited for this one. You guys don't even know, like, I'm stoked for this one. Why is there... No, there's like water on this package. Please don't tell me the item in here is damaged, dude. I guess we're okay. I don't know why the heck there's water on this thing though. That's so stupid. Anytime you see that, it's scary for Hawaii because humidity and stuff will destroy whatever product you have. So I didn't want what's in here to like start like getting moldy or whatever. Thankfully, it didn't attack what's in here, so that's good. We do have 2 box logo stickers from this one. But what we actually caught though is right here, the Supreme North Face shoulder bag. There were so many fire pieces and stuff, and honestly, you guys would think that I would go for the Parkers or whatever because of value and yada yada yada, but I just pass on it because I can't wear a leather jacket in Hawaii. Like, I come to terms that I can't wear nice things in Hawaii. I can't wear hoodies, I can't wear jackets, I can't layer things, so yeah, I'm gonna cut back on all of that stuff. Like, you guys see that By Any Means Necessary jacket. I have no idea when I'm gonna wear that. I want to wear it, but I have no idea when I can. But this I can actually use, you know? Like I was telling you guys, I'm going up to Complex Con, so this is actually pretty cool. Something quick to put all my stuff in so I don't need to carry around like extra batteries for my camera, memory cards, stuff like that. So yeah, this will be really functional for the trip. Also, that kind of goes hand in hand with my question that I was going to ask you guys. And my question is, and what I need help with is, I don't know what to bring up to Complex Con. Like, I've never been to like a big event before. I've never gone to Sneaker Con, never gone to Complex Con. So I'm not really sure what people wear there, you know? So my question to you guys is, what 3 shoes should I bring on this trip, man? I posted a picture on my Instagram, and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, at Untied Hawaii, go do that now. But yeah, I need help because I'm not sure what to bring up. I want to see what you guys have to say, so let me know in the comments below. Maybe I'll pick the highest voted one down there and just go with that. So do help me out, guys. I have too many shoes. I don't know which ones to bring. I don't know what's cool. I don't know how like flashy people want to be at these kinds of things. Like, I don't really care. Kind of want more comfort than anything else. But apparently I have to dress nice, so help me out, please. Thank you. Back to the mail time unboxing. So now we got some shoe boxes to open. This one is actually from Adidas. No water on this one. All right, that's good. So if you guys don't know what this is the Hue box, HU. So these are actually pretty fire, man. These are the Billionaire Boys Club Pharrell Williams Human Race collab. I'm not sure why these were so like slept on. Like, if you guys go look at StockX now, the prices are pretty much almost retail, which is crazy because a Human Race collab before would have sold for like, I feel like double that. But I'm not sure why a lot of people weren't feeling these specifically. You can see that B for Billionaires Boys Club in the back. Mind over this one. And then this one says heart. So I think that's pretty cool. Obviously the colorway is a little bit harder to match, but other than that, I'm not sure why so many people were like sleeping on these. I was able to pick them up off Adidas.com off their restock though. So I think it was a good pickup, man. Anytime you can get like a Human Race collab or something for retail, I feel like it's a good investment because they're gonna go up over time. All right, so the last box that we have, you guys can see, is from Social Status. Let me try to figure out how to open this thing. How am I supposed to open this? I don't get it. Pull this out. So we're just gonna like tear at it. I guess it's not meant to be open nicely. But this time we have an orange Nike box, and I don't get too many of these, so this is different. Is actually a pair of the Element React 87s, and this is actually my first pair of this model, man. I've been wanting a pair of these for a really long time, but I never wanted to spend a resale for it. Thankfully, Social Status had like a restock on them, and I was quick enough to cop this one for retail. So anytime I can get something for retail, like, you know, I'm definitely gonna try to cop. The colorway is nice though, and I do like this pair, so this one's actually gonna be a keeper for me. Stoked I got these from Social Status, and that will be a new shoe in the collection. Gotta figure out what shoe to get rid of in the collection now. So that's it for mail time. It was really short. Got a lot of personal pieces that I'm really stoked about. Very, very stoked about. So again, help me out by going through the comments below and voting on the 3 shoes you guys want to see me wearing at Complex Con. You guys know me, I'm not a big flexer. I don't like to flex on people, so I really don't want to bring super high heat. If anything, I want something more comfortable, because you figure you're gonna be in Complex Con for what, over 8 hours maybe? So yeah, I don't know how comfortable it would be to be wearing a Yeezy 2 for the whole day, but I'll let the Ohana figure it out for me. So thank you guys for helping me out. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching this episode of Mail Time, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha.
Shoots.
Bruh, no freaking way. My hair was up the whole time. I'm not refilming it. Screw it. I'm not. Nope.